haircut? Like at the big boy shop? Whoa.
Like at the big boy shop. And you're so good because you're not even scared.
I'm not scared. I'm not afraid or scared. I'm not. I'm just brave.
You are.
I'm brave. I'm not brave from the haunted house.
Me either.
Good.
I don't like it.
Does people... Is it a ride?
You can give them a mohawk.
What?
The top part, if you want. No?
I'm gonna make a boxer. I don't want to show how I just want to pants. So I can look like a boxer. I want to be like a boxer.
Okay.
Eddie, I want to be like a boxer. With just pants.
Okay.
So I shall cool you. Boxer.
A boxer just wear pants?
Uh-huh.
Look at all the hair on your chest. Very good. That's how Daddy does it too when he cuts his hair. Oh my God, you are so cute.
Can you get a washcloth real quick? So I can brush the hair off his face.
Just use his shirt.
Where's his shirt go? What did you do with your shirt, baby?